Best dash cam for truckers. We review top 5 best dash cam for truckers. BlackVue DR450-1CH. The BlackVue DR450-1CH is a favorite of many truckers thanks to its beautiful design and class-leading functionality. This dash cam mounts seamlessly on windshields for maximum coverage. It records full HD, 1080p videos at 30 fps, has audio recording, and loop recording to save space. The DR450-1CH comes with a camera mount, 16GB memory card and a G sensor among others. It features a capacitor-based power supply and its compact construction makes installation easy. Vava Dash Cam VACD008. Truckers who want to keep memories of their trips need dependable dash cams like the Vava Dash Cam VACD008. This high-performance cam comes with a 6-layer lens that captures vivid videos in 1080p HD clips at 30 frames per second. It comes in a wedge shape that allows for low detection on your dashboard. The VACD008 has a 160-degree wide-angle coverage, enough to capture everything in front of you in rich detail. It has a dual USB port charger for charging your smartphone on the go. With its wide dynamic range design, this cam delivers impressive footage in low visibility conditions. It starts and stops recording with the ignition and has continuous loop functionality. OLDShark 31080p. The OLDShark delivers a crystal clear 1080p video with its 170-degree wide-angle 6-lens camera. This dash cam runs on an inbuilt battery and comes in a sturdy zinc alloy body for increased durability. It is perfect for capturing your drives in the day and during low visibility conditions. It features a bright LCD screen and has high-end features for the price of a mid-range product. If you need an easy-to-install and user-friendly dash cam, the 31080p is a top candidate. ZEDGE Z3-1440p Quad HD Dashboard Camera. Despite its affordability, the ZEDGE Z3-1440p Quad HD Dashboard Camera offers an impressive array of premium features. The camera sports a powerful Ambarella processor and a CMOS sensor ensures things run smoothly. It has an aesthetic matte finish and a beautiful design and delivers 2.5K video in 2560 by 1440p. ZEDGE Z3-1440p Quad HD Dashboard Camera captures events with a 155-degree angle at 30 fps. It supports 128GB memory card and loop recording to ensure you don't run out of space. There is also an HDR feature which allows for sharp pictures in low light vision. Anker Dash Cam C1 Pro. The C1 Pro Dash Cam from Anker comes with a plethora of advanced features. This camera sports inbuilt GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, G-sensor, and 4-lane wide-range camera view. It captures the road in 2K resolution 2560 by 1440p for unbeatable clarity and detail. The C1 Pro supports up to 32GB of memory and has 2 USB charging ports. It also offers instant video access, iOS and Android compatibility and can work even in extreme temperatures. The best part is it retails at an affordable price. Garmin Dash Cam 35.